Hello guys, what's up? Today is Saturday, September 21. Na tayo sa kalagayan ng BTC ngayon, Bitcoin versus US dollar. So today, kita natin sa daily time frame na we have the opportunity to buy in this area to here po sa 62,100 until $61,566 BTC. This will be our buy zone in this green area, 62100 until 61566. Oh, why? If you're asking why, because of this, we have we have found liquidity on 62353. Okay, so we go to lower time frame for hours. It will be seen here that here ito na area. Going more down to 1 hour time frame. So ganito yung kalabasan guys, no? As we can see is, so we will wait for a London session or New York session to play this buy. Okay, for this time, not yet time for buying buy. So, okay, this will be the, okay, let me show you the trend. Mm-hmm. This will be the, ito po yung galaw natin sa Bitcoin. So kunin niya yung liquidity dito, dito sa 62362. Ito yung uh, daily lower uh, daily low liquidity. So kunin niya to, i-grab 'yon, ganun. Punta siya sa buy zone. Doon, kunin niya 'yan at aangat 'yan, ganun. So hanap yan na ng FVG doon, until kunin naman 'yan, until ganun. Kunin niya naman 'to, nasa taas, ganyan. Until umabot siya dito sa 64,000. Yan guys. When is the time to buy? Wait for this area guys. Dito po sa 62100 until 61566. So saan po yung ilagay niyo yung yung stop loss, okay? Show you. Okay, long position. Ito po. Ito yung long position. Oops, ano to? Mhm. Ito po. Yan. Wait lang. So wait for, so if gusto niyo na talaga, target nyo dito. Ito po. Yung target nyo is buy kayo dito na zone 62113. So stop loss nyo is dito sa 61406. Ilang percent ba yung i-take risk nyo? 1% of your capital. 1% only guys ha. Huwag yung 2%. Okay, so take profit. When po mag-take profit dito po sa target natin na 63255. First take profit dito po. At second take profit dito sa dito 63784. Third take profit dito naman sa 64103. Po. Ganun lang guys. Hope you enjoy my video. So I'll update you more for the next opportunity on Bitcoin. See ya for the next update.